Hello and welcome to today's video on the Solexx app for Economy, download, setup and how to trade. This is the web page. There's a link in the description below to go check it out, but basically that's the logo you're looking for. You can download it via either the Android or iPhone link. Both go to their corresponding app store. You do need Economy access first, and make sure you use the same email address that you use for Solexx as you do on the Economy. So make sure they're both the same email so that they connect automatically. To get your Economy access, there's a link in the description below for that as well, using the code Global Finance Trading, all one word, all lowercase, if it does request it. So here's what it looks like when you get in there. It's got the activity feed for Economy updates, very important, particularly for those looking for new tools, understanding when the sessions are and that kind of thing. There's tons of training available through Economy and the ECA program. Logging in, so the Solexx app, once you've got the app on your phone, you need one of these packs, whether it's the Entry, Elite, Elite Pro or Gold. Elite Pro, I know it does give you the Monara trading tool as well, which is a really cool tool for finding patterns in the Forex markets. Create and register your account, so you open the Solexx app that you've downloaded, you go create an account, and then make sure it's the same email address as your Economy login. It's going to automatically connect for you and you'll be able to jump right in. Make sure the password includes at least one special character out of these ones, and then basically your accounts will be linked. Once you get in there, the Solexx app Economy trading signals will be available. You can follow and subscribe your favorite traders. Here's a screenshot there of the different traders that are available to you, and then how to use it to trade. So what you can do is basically open the notification, you copy and paste the trade, and then you're in. So this little copy button, you just push your finger on that, it'll copy the number, and then you put that into your trading software. So whether that's MetaTrader or some other platform, it should be able to just simply paste into, for example, the entry, the take profit and the stop loss when you're doing either a pending order, or this one, for example, it would say it's a market execution. Taking note of the symbol, the direction as well, and then your take profits and stop loss. Now, always be really careful when trading. It's nobody else's fault but your own. If something goes wrong, you really need to take responsibility, be careful, learn as much as you can before you start going big. So understanding your data, understanding your history with using trading platforms, different trading strategies. Got to be really careful, guys. It's really important. So that's the Solexx app. You'll get notifications